Hi, my name's Steve Moss. This is our new kitchen and actually a first floor renovation that Sarah and her husband Ogun put together in conjunction with my wife Alicia. And it was about a 10 or so week project. The design has been completely changed. The windows and the light that comes in is dramatically larger, brighter, and we really do enjoy it. The countertops and the cabinet that you see behind me along with the island are all darker gray, and it does work well with the countertops being a very light color, and then the floors that Sarah pushed me to go for in that they're a light hickory wood with I guess a whitewash, if you will, not quite a whitewash, but something like that. And we do love it. It's in good use. It has been it was a great project. We're very happy that we opened up the dining room into the kitchen, added this large window over here, and also added a new door to the deck. And the process of that also enhanced the exterior in ways we didn't appreciate too. So, it was a very interesting project that we lived through, but we're very thankful to have done it. And Sarah definitely pushed me in a few ways that took me a little bit to get there, and we're glad we did it. We would recommend Sarah to friends. She first worked with my sister, and then my sister and her influence on my wife brought them over here. And we worked on this project for a number of months, and then eventually got all together and made it work, so yes.